Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable the incognito mode for your Perplexity AI account. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. In context that you don't know how to, worry not. We have created a video regarding that as well. Now let us simply look at how to enable the incognito mode in Perplexity AI. Well guys, this is the interface. From here, let's simply look at the navbar that's on the left side of the screen. Right here, as you can see, there are many buttons. But right now, what you guys have to do is simply focus on your username right here. It's a button like this. Simply click on it, and then this thing will open up. Right here, as you can see, this is your username, and just below it, here is a button like this that says Incognito. Click on it, and guys, that is it. And as you can see, we are in incognito mode in Perplexity AI. Now the library will be disabled while incognito. This is it guys, that is the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.